Hi, friends, I'm Rain. Get ready for a super fun adventure where we explore science, space, and all things awesome. Let's learn and play together! Hi, friends. Have you ever seen stripes on a zebra or spots on a ladybug? Those are called patterns. Patterns are things that repeat again and again, just like dot, 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 or yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green. Today, we're going on a fun adventure to find and make patterns in nature. Let's go spotting. Look at the zebra. Its black and white stripes go over and over. That's a pattern. Cheetahs have dots, snakes have repeating scales, and butterflies have wings that look the same on both sides. That's a mirror pattern. Nature loves patterns. Now let's look at trees and flowers. A sunflower has swirly patterns of seeds. Trees have circles inside the trunk. Those are growth rings. And many leaves grow in pairs or make zigzag shapes. Can you see the patterns? Nature's patterns are everywhere. Rainbows are colorful arcs of 7 colors. Waves roll in one after another. Even honeycombs have a neat pattern made out of the shape called hexagon. Look, this is a pattern made of leaves. And this is a pattern made of acorn. Let's see if you can guess what comes next in this pattern. Leaf, shell, stick, leaf, shell, stick, leaf. What do you think is next? It's a shell. Let's try another one. Blue, green, orange, red, blue, green, orange, red, blue, blank, orange, red. Can you guess which one is missing to complete the pattern? It's green! Great job! Now, let's go outside, maybe to a park or a beach, and collect safe, natural items. Maybe pebbles, leaves, or sticks. Put them in a pattern like leaf, pebble, leaf, pebble. Or make a flower, leaf, stick pattern. Yay! You're a pattern designer. You did it! You found patterns on animals, in plants, in the sky, and even made your own. Patterns are fun and they help us understand how nature works. Next time you're outside, look around. Nature's full of surprises. Bye bye, pattern explorers.